How to fix WhatsApp Google Drive backup problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your WhatsApp and then from the top right corner, go to the three dot line. Then go to settings. After that, go to chats. Now you will reach in this interface. After that, go to chat backup. And here the account or the Google account that you are using to back up your chats will show over here. So if you think the or if it shows that your Google storage is full, what you will have to do is simply change your Google account by going to this Google account and then select the account that you in which you have enough storage, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.